Hello everyone. Through this video, we are going to learn the imperative sentences and their indirect speech. In our previous video, we have seen the narrations, the indirect speech of affirmative sentences. Through this video, we are going to learn how to change the narrations of indirect speech. My dear friend, you can see here the example of imperative sentences. At first, we should know that what are imperative sentences, and in the chapter of kinds of sentences, you know that suggestions, commands, orders, requests, these are imperative sentences. Here is an example of imperative sentence. He said to me, give me the book. Give me the book is example of imperative sentence. And what are the changes you can see here? He told or asked me to give him the book. My dear friend, you can see here what the changes are here. The verb give converted to give, and me the book converted into him the book, and the reported verb said to me changed into told me or asked me. So my dear friends, such type of changes occur here in the change of narration of imperative sentences, which are he said to me, give me the book. Changes is that me converted to him and the verb converted into to give. Such type of changes you have to mention while you are making the narration of imperative sentences. My dear friends, क्या करना है हमें? सजेशन है, एडवाइस है, ऑर्डर है, कमांड है, वो चीज मेंशन करते हुए सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब है फर्स्ट, उस वर्ब के साथ टू लगाकर सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करना है, और बाकी जो चेंजेस है वो सारे चेंजेस हिम, मी जो है वो हिम में चेंज हुआ बिकॉज मी इज फॉर ही. इस प्रकार से सेंटेंस को ऑब्जर्व करते हुए हमें उसे चेंज करना होगा. इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी दैट द मास्टर सेड टू द सर्वेंट डू इट एट वंस. डू इट एट once, and the relation of master and servant, which is of order. Master gives order and servants have to follow it. So here the reported speech will be, the master ordered the servant to do it at once. Again, do is converted into to do, and said to is converted into order, because it is an order. The statement in inverted comma is an order of a master to the servant. That's why in reported speech we will say it, the master ordered the servant to do it at once. Such type of statements we use. For example, यदि मैं आपसे कहूँ आप अपने एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ाई अच्छी कीजिए, डू योर स्टडी प्रॉपरली, इट मीन्स आई एम गिविंग यू सजेशन और एडवाइस. यू कैन चेंज इन टू रिपोर्टेड स्पीच एज द टीचर एडवाइज्ड अस टू डू द स्टडी प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज देयर इज एडवाइस, दैट्स व्हाई द रिपोर्टेड वर्ब विल बी एडवाइज्ड. सो अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस, ऑर्डर, कमांड या सजेशन जो भी है या रिक्वेस्ट, उस कंडीशन में हमें क्या करना होता है, उस सेंटेंस के बेस पे रिपोर्टेड वर्ब को चेंज करके वर्ब के पहले टू लगाकर उसको कन्वर्ट करना होता है. अब हम देखेंगे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच ऑफ WH क्वेश्चंस. So my dear friends, exclamation includes a strong emotion. Which type of emotions? We know that exclamatory sentences have lovingly, sadly, with fear, applauded. Such type of emotions are expressed by the exclamatory statements. Now when we are going to change the narration of exclamatory sentences, हमें क्या करना होगा? सबसे पहले कौन सा इमोशन है, विच इमोशन इज मेंशन्ड इन द स्टेटमेंट, वो देखना है. उसके अनुसार हमें रिपोर्टेड वर्ब के लिए प्रॉपर वर्ड सिलेक्ट करना है. एंड देयर आफ्टर वी हैव टू ऐड कंजंक्शन दैट एंड देन वी हैव टू चेंज द नरेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी these statements. The children whispered, "What a terrible man he is." This is direct speech and exclamation is whispered. They have, because of fear. Direct speech is the children whispered, "What a terrible man he is." Indirect speech is the children whispered that he was a very terrible man. So my dear friend, you can see there what are the changes. The children whispered that what a terrible man he is converted to he was a very terrible man. In a simple affirmative statement, it has been changed and children whispered that. Yashoda said to Krishna, "What a naughty child you are." What a naughty child you are. My dear friend, you can see here what is the emotion. Here the emotion mentioned is lovingly. With love, Yashoda is telling to the Krishna. So we can change the direct speech into indirect as Yashoda lovingly told Krishna that he was a very naughty child. I hope you can get the changes here occurred. Yashoda lovingly told. Here sad to is converted into lovingly told because the emotion expressed in the exclamatory statement is love. Due to love, Yashoda is saying that. So Yashoda lovingly told Krishna, thereafter conjunction, that he was a very naughty child. The next example is, everyone said how kind and generous he is. Everyone said how kind and generous he is. My dear friends, here exclamation is expressed by the statement. So the indirect speech will be, everyone exclaimed that he was very kind and generous. And the next example, he said, "Alas, I have failed again." Here we can see the sadness. So the reported verb will be sadly exclaimed. He sadly exclaimed that he had failed again. So my dear friends, I hope by these example you can conclude that आपको एक्सक्लेमेशन, फीलिंग, इमोशन कौन सा है वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसके लिए प्रॉपर वर्ड सिलेक्ट करना है रिपोर्टेड वर्ब के लिए और उसके बाद दैट कंजंक्शन यूज़ करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू चेंज द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस इनटू सिंपल सेंटेंस. सो आई होप यू विल do it easily. Now we are going to learn the reported speech of WH questions. So my dear friends, how to change the WH questions statement of direct speech into indirect means कैसे हमें WH स्टेटमेंट वाले डायरेक्ट स्पीच का रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बनानी है. लेट अस सी बाय द एग्जांपल. शी सेड टू हिम, वेयर आर यू गोइंग. वेयर आर यू गोइंग इज ऑब्वियस WH क्वेश्चन and its reported speech is she asked, or we can say questioned. She asked him where he was going. My dear friend, you can see that which changes are here. At first you can see said to converted to asked. Him is as it is. Thereafter the WH word will be same as the position. we are not using here that conjunction, and then because she is asking to him, the subject will be he. Was are converted to was. The tense has changed as per the rule of direct and indirect speech, what we have seen in our previous video. He was going, and the most noticeable point here is this, my dear friend, question mark is converted into full stop. Now in indirect speech you do not need to mention the question mark at the end of the statement, because it has converted into a clause. It is not only a WH question but also it is clause now. So my dear friends, हमने क्या देखा, WH स्टेटमेंट वाले जो भी डायरेक्ट के स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, उन्हें हमें इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सी दैट किसके साथ बात हो रही है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग द सब्जेक्ट होगा, और उसके बाद WH वर्ड एज इट इज़ होगा. We do not need to mention that here, and thereafter asked, the said to will be asked or questioned, and thereafter you have to keep in mind that question mark is not needed to apply here, because it is now not a WH question, now it is a example of clause. So my dear friends, I hope now at the end of the video you will get much more examples. You should write down into your notebook, and then you can get the differences, changes in direct and indirect speech of imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and finally WH statements. So all the best for your studies, and I hope you will do it positively. Thank you.